I got so scared.
What if it's real?
What if it's scared?
카메라가 안
What the fuck?
Oh fuck! You got me, man. You got me.
I see you. Hell of a coffee.
It ain't real. I'm as scared he's gonna open his eyes. Oh! Fucking hell! Fucking is you, fucking is.
Going up the west to each day. You have motivation course. I told you to be.
Oh God, how did we get that? Oh God. Oh God.
Are you okay, boy? Maybe we can get video.
Shit was that? Chance?
Somebody has? Oh, I'm so
Hey Johnny!
Hard to see.
Oh shit! You frightened me. I didn't realise you were real.
Oh shit! Dude! Well done, man.
Oh my God, hi. That was very good.
You know what I was once up in 10 or
Yeah, his head.
I knew it. Scared the shit out.
What is it going नहीं टच करो ना क्या हो गया
Oh, he's a real guy. I didn't know that.
Oh God, you're real. Sorry.
Is he pretending?
No.
Oh.
No.
You scared me.
If he's rude, it's gonna grab at it. I knew it! Oh my God!
Hello.
Is he real? I got these flowers.
That's not real. What's that?
It's real. We're touching that. It's real all day. Can't really see it.
That's real.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not God. Funny. This is real. You hop on me on the snake. Hop on me on the snake.
Hi guys! Oh, there's a camera! Wait, did not post that anywhere.
I'll post it.
You're gone, take your picture. You wanted a picture. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye. Knuckles, come on.
Ok, qu'est-ce que je peux dire? J'espère que vous allez bien. J'espère qu'on on est des filles françaises. On habite à Brisbane depuis quelques temps maintenant, donc depuis quelques semaines. Ouais. Et voilà, du coup, on profite de la vie australienne. Et voilà. En tout cas, c'est trop beau. Venez à Brisbane. Brisbane, je trouve que c'est beaucoup mieux que Sydney. Donc voilà.